the blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
What's up, everybody? So I forgot the SD card to my vlogging camera, and can't find her vlogging camera, so we're using the phone.
Yeah. I look for jeans I can cut up and stuff, but like I don't know my size. So like back it up. Back it up. In the thrift store, trying to find like t-shirts to like, what do you call this? Like fix it up. I found this. I can definitely fix that up. Did you find anything more?
No, not yet.
There's so many t-shirts I can choose from. But we'll show you like a full like haul, I guess, from what we buy.
So what's up, guys? We just finished up at Value Village, aka the thrift store, and now we're going to go get food.
Yeah, we're gonna go get Wendy's and get our fix. It's really hot right now. It's probably what, 23, 24 degrees right now?
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
For some of you that are watching that are from different countries, you're probably like, are you serious? That's not that hot.
Alive.
But we in Canada, so it is hot. I'm craving a chocolate frosty.
Yeah, it's like 24. Like, look at us. We're wearing this now. Like,
we're already in our tank tops.
yeah. Right now, we will be listening to music, but we're kind of.
Anne has some technical problems with her car.
Car issues, sadly.
And if you're wondering why, it's staticky.
It's like static. I don't know. If anyone knows how to like fix static radios or something, I might have to buy a new speaker. Yeah. Yeah. I hate sneezing when I'm driving. I get so scared.
Bless you.
Like, you know when it's allergy season.
Oh, it's green.
Oh, it's green. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh my god.
She's plugging her nose.
Oh my god.
She's plugging her nose.
Okay.
Pineapples.
I like pineapples.
There you go. See? Always think of pineapples when you're trying not to sneeze.
Oh, I'm the pineapple princess, and you're the mango.
No, I'm the mango queen. That's it.
Yeah. That's how we.
I've loved mango since I was in my mom's stomach. She even told me that the one food that she could only let down was mangoes.
That is the reason why. So, anyways, we got all our stuff from Value Village. We're gonna do a haul. I guess we didn't really get that much because there was really not big of a like selection.
Actually, have a DIY coming out soon.
Yeah, it's not really a DIY. We're gonna like, can we DIY? That's another segment I saw.
Yeah, can we? I don't know. We've never really DIY'd before.
I've done a few t-shirts here and there, but like it didn't really turn out as good as this BMW used to go faster. Oh well. Try to get a Wendy's as soon as I can.
Wendy's. I see Wendy's.
I see
What a wonderful world. I see trees of green, red roses too.
Oh, there, that's the song. Good job.
I
Props.
see the bloom for me. And
Oh, what the?
Oh.
How do we enter? Okay, so there's a.
We got a slight problem.
We go around then. Go back.
Yeah.
Okay. So
We failed.
change of plans.
Oh my god, no.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god, yes. Come on, dog. You're there first. You're welcome. Such a nice person. This is why I should get Wendy's. Oh, the frick down. Lord have mercy. My gulai. Where?
Okay, you know where that van just turned? Turn in there.
In the gas or here?
No, right,
That one?
right, they're
Okay.
closer.
Cool. I shall do it.
Oh,
There's the
Wendy.
entrance. Hello, Wendy's.
Hello, Wendy.
Hello, Wendy's. Gosh.
And Tim Hortons.
Oh,
Forget
and
about Tim
Hortons,
Hortons.
Yeah, I forgot about. Well, you know, girl doesn't want Tim Hortons right now. Oh well. We're here. We'll talk to you soon. Alright, so we made it to Wendy's. We found the entrance. Now we're gonna eat because I'm so hungry. We took like an hour or so at Value Village
120.
at the thrift store, and we just got like 3 items, I think. You know when it's hot outside in Canada, when there's a full lineup of people for Tim Hortons, and there's more back there. They're all probably getting ice caps, right?
Caps are bomb this time of year.
But now I got my Frosty, my fries, and a burger, chicken, got nachos.
Burger and nuggets.
Alright, tell me if anyone does this. You get fries, you dip in the Frosty, and it's like
Or
a
ice
thing.
cream.
Or ice cream, like any ice cream. Frosty to be like exact. That's so good. Is that
I
normal?
think there's a Wendy's in America, isn't there?
I don't think so. I think Wendy's is a Canadian thing. No?
If not, comment below.
I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is.
I think it's a North American thing. Comment down below who's right.
Hey guys, it's Anne, and I just realized we didn't end the vlog at all, so I'm here to end it for you guys. It is currently 11:22 and I am currently editing the vlog. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button below and also give us a thumbs up. If you guys also want to comment below if you think Wendy's is only in Canada or is it also down in the States, let us know because we clearly do not know at all. I'm really quiet because everyone's sleeping right now, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys later. Bye.